Saturday, January the 9th. This morning, ladies and gentlemen, is the calm before the storm, before this mess expands exponentially. This is quiet. This is nothing compared to what we're going to be seeing later tonight into Sunday. A little bit of light snow as well near the Sudbury North Bay region, spilling over towards Quebec. But look at this. There's some green stuff on the map here. It's not just the green behind me. It's actually rain, even some torrential downpours or some fog over towards the Muskokas, Barrie, Aurelia region. So that shows you where the warm air is. That warm air is still embedded over northeast Ontario, but you're going to say goodbye to our 0, -2, -3 by this time tomorrow, because we're going to go down to about -15 by Sunday, maybe -20 Sunday night, -25 Monday morning, with a possible snow day. Do you see that happening? We'll talk about that in a second. First of all, widespread band of snow leaving the Sioux Superior East region. Try saying that 3 times fast. Moving east and moving north. The northern edge of it is sneaking up towards Kapuskasing-Hearst. The northeasterly edge is going to push by Timmins. That's when, as per the public forecast, your snowfall is going to start. There's 2 watch boxes here. Number 1, let's go with the quieter section, that being Caphurst, Smooth Rock Falls. This is the winter storm watch that's in effect. It's sustained as of this morning. Scrolling through the texture just to show you the ingredients involved with the winter storm. This is the important factor, 10 to 20 centimeters of snow by the time the storm is all done. That's for the quiet section. Highway 11 from, let's say, Driftwood west to Hearst. You're going to get the snowfall, but you're not going to get nearly as much as what Timmins, Cochrane, Iroquois Falls, and Matheson are going to get. Scroll through the list over here. Alright, let's take a look at this here. This is the important line to look at. If you know how to read this properly, it says 25 to 30 centimeters of snow by the time Monday morning gets here. So beginning today sometime, let's say mid-morning, mid-afternoon, we'll pick up 5 to 10 centimeters today, maybe a few more tonight. And the jackpot, the peak performance of the storm is supposed to be Sunday. The Weather Network's forecast says 25 to 30 centimeters of snow Sunday. Environment Canada is adding the gusty winds, the low visibility, the blowing snow factor to all that. Just imagine, we had the freezing rain and ice pellets yesterday when the warmer air mass came up from the storm yesterday. The slow pressure system over here, this is the first one. There's 2 of them involved here, not one now. So we've got a main character, we've got a secondary character, or a support system, the assistant manager, whatever you want to call it. 2971 inches of mercury. The air pressure is not the problem because the winds are not that bad, but it's the warm air ahead of it that gave us the rainfall yesterday and kept the temperatures around 0 to -3 overnight. This is as of 4 o'clock this morning. So if I knock this out to show you where the difference is. So this is actually near Wawa. We have the warm air here, but you can see the arrows coming in right behind it. Warm air ahead of it. Low pressure continues moving northeastward, and behind it, look at this plunge of cold air. These pink areas, actually, this is not just art here, but the pink area actually, and it's taken a bit of time to show up here, it's actually a wind chill advisory for areas just south of Manitoba. So that shows you that if there's a wind chill warning, you're going from toasty oven nice and warm to frigid Arctic cold over here. That's what this wall is actually doing. This low is going to continue moving that way. Until this low moves this way, we're going to enjoy the warm air for now. Throughout the course of the day today into Sunday, the mercury is going to plummet. This is a very busy storm, guys. Number 2, there's a second low. This is the assistant manager, the support system for the main low, which is helping bring in additional warnings towards the Michigan side or the U.S. side of this whole thing. The warm front cutting across southern Ontario. You can see the rainfall over here. So if I zoom out to show you the big picture of what's going on, well, it's actually kind of interesting. You got 2 high pressures. These are Arctic highs with cold air sinking down like this, with the jet stream swinging back up, going up this way here. It's like a roller coaster. Cold air down here, trough of low pressure, Midwest U.S., bring up the warm air across the Great Lakes and Quebec. By the time this low moves this way, this cold air is going to funnel in this way, and that's what your winter storm is all about. This has been a long report. We'll keep you updated throughout the day, and we'll see when I can get back on the air. You guys enjoy your Saturday. Take it easy out there, and I'll come back in a bit. Actually, this will be my only report for now. We'll just show you the templates for what happened yesterday, and I'll show you the warning screens coming up in a moment.